Hi, I'm Vesta Abel, and I'm here at the 2018 CHA show, and I can't wait to show you this revolutionary, awesome new product for Ranger. And it's a quick cure clay, and you don't need a kiln to cure it, and it cures in less than a minute with Ranger's heat tool. So I'm very excited to show you. I'm going to make a little button, and if you're a teacher, if you have a shop and you do classes or you do make and takes, this is ideal because you can create something in 5 minutes for somebody to take home. It's awesome. So now I've just kind of rolled the clay a little bit, and I'm pressing it onto any stamp. You can put it, it's nice if you can put it onto a clay sheet like this. And then I like to do another piece on top real quickly, and that way both sides have a nice finish to them. The next thing I'm going to do is put my 2 holes. This is drillable after you cure it. You can sand it, you can drill it, but it's always better to put your holes in ahead of time if you can. Now, all you have to do is hit one side of this, and then once you see a little bit of smoke coming out, it doesn't always show up in here, but a little bit of smoke, then you know it's started its curing process. Now in the case of this horse, you would just hit the nose area with your heat tool, and once it starts to smoke, you can stop doing it, and it will propagate all through the body and cure. Okay, so now I believe it's started because it feels tough. I might do a little bit more. I don't know if any smoke is showing, but you can kind of tell by the time. You'll get to where you can just say, oh, less than a minute, you know. Okay, and then there you see, I just saw a little hint of the smoke, and it's going through. You can see that, it's showing up. Okay, then you just let it cool. And okay, that's done now. Hard as a rock, totally cured. Normally would have taken hours in a kiln. So it's all done, and then I just let it cool. You could pull it off of there and you could slam it down onto cement immediately and it will not break. It's 5 times stronger than polymer clay. Now it's ideal. You can color them with many different products, from acrylic paints, any type of thing, but I love the alcohol inks. It's beautiful with it because it's just as fast to dry as it is to cure it almost with this. And these dye-based inks are, you want anything that's going to be permanent on it afterwards. Let's put a little hint of orange on there. Okay, now normally I do the back side too real quick. I have no patience at all, so I'm just going to do this very quickly. Do that. I'm going to dry it real quick with this. And it's beautiful just like this if you want kind of a matte finish. But if you want to have this look of a glaze on it, you can have a glazed look with it in just seconds. Now we just go back and you could highlight certain areas on it. I like both the shiny and the dull on the same piece. And now you have a button.